Okay. Today we'll be considering the closure property, which is the second content of the binary operation. Remember, in our last video we were trying to look at the words of binary operation, and we deduced that binary operation is any rule of combining, that is the rules of combination of any two elements of any given set or a given non-empty set. All right. So today we'll be looking at the closure property. Now, the question is, what do we mean when we say when we are talking about closure property? What do we mean by that? Okay, we are trying to describe a particular set, all right, a particular set, given rules of combining the two elements of that set. When rules, that is binary operation, rules of combining two elements of the set is given. That is rules of combination is given. Then we are now trying to describe. So closure property describe whether the rules yield an element that is a member of the set or not. All right. So we are trying to describe whether the rules yield an element that is a member of the set or not. So if the result of combining two elements of any particular set, if the result of combining two elements of any given set is also a member, the result is also a member of that set, we say that we describe, you know what we are trying to describe? We are describing the set. So we would say that the set, that given set, is what? Is close under that rules. Close under that given rules. Close under that given rules. I take it again. What we are looking at the rules. And then we are also trying to consider whether the rules will yield an element that is a member of any given set. Now, if it yield or if it does not yield an element that is a member of that particular set, we are going to say it is close or it is not close. When do we say that it is close? When do we describe the set as a closed set under that rules? We say that the set is close when what? The rules yield an element that is a member of the set. So when the rules yield a member that is an element of the set. So that is to say, if I'm combining A and B, A and B are combined together, and then, or let me say, if I have A and B to be a member of a particular set R, A and B are members of a particular set, and then with the result of combining A and B is also a member of what? Set R. We'll say that set R is close under the rules. Under the rules. That is under the binary operation. You remember that when we talk about the rules, we are talking about, when we are looking at the rules in this case, we are looking at the binary operation. The binary operation is the rules of combining the two elements of that given set. So say set how is closed under the rules, that is under the binary operation. I say I've been given A and B as members of a particular set R. All right, and then after my combination, I also notice that the result I got is also a member of this particular set. So set R is closed. That's I'm describing set R. So closure property is trying to describe the set. It's describing the set. whether the rules given, all right, the rules given for that set, combining two elements of the set, will yield a member of that set. If it yields, we say that it is closed. If it does not yield, we say it is not closed. That means set how is not closed under the binary operation, that's under the rules. All right. Please, if you understand this, don't forget to do it, to like and then subscribe. Thank you.